Yeah, we got the cola light up. Yeah, it's a good vibes, people. Look at that. This one still start. Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah, that's alright. We want the smoke. We want smoke. We need the smoke. We need some smoke. Make it stay like that. Good one. Alright, people. So I finished our chicken this now. That's how the chicken looks. Alright. And this is the half finished product. Right here, sir. So that's a good look with the chicken. Yeah. Alright.
It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday, and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together.
Oh, you light it already? Hold on there first. Alright people, so here it is. We got the coal ready. Right here, so we got a massive pot. Right over here, so we got another one. We're gonna do with some fried chicken and white rice. And yeah. So this one we can use this one for the rice, isn't it?
Yeah, that's for rice. This
for the chicken. Alright, wicked. So we just start to light up the coal at the moment, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated as we goes on with these bits and pieces. Watch this one, this one. Massive pot. Are you gonna wash the rice in this one, and when you finish it, you can put on that one, alright?
I'll wash now, later.
As soon as him light up, we can so this is what we're gonna be using today. We're gonna be doing charcoal cooking. Alright. Yeah, we got the cola light up. Yeah, it's a good vibes, people. Look at that. This one still start. Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah, that's alright. We want the smoke. We want smoke. We need the smoke. We need some smoke. Make it stay like that. Good one. Yeah, let's get some oil. This look like a yeah. I think this amount of oil is supposed to be good. Yeah. Alright, so that's the oil. Just put the oil in it. I'm already marinated the chicken already, guys, so you're not gonna see because I'm already marinated the chicken. Alright, we just want to show you how we do the fried chicken. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna put one more pack. just to make sure we have enough to do the fried chicken. Alright, so this is a crispy fried chicken mix. Amazing. Over here we have some rice. Now this massive pot. Yeah, so you can see this is what's going on right there. So right here we put the chicken in this right here like this, and we put it right here into the oil. One more. Yeah, that's it. So people, that's how you do it. So this is the chicken. Dip it right here, and you come right here, sir. Alright, so right here guys, I can see that's the fried chicken right there, you know? Yeah. Look at that. That's on the coal. See? Look at that. And this we are talking about. You see? Something different. Alright. Fried chicken. Look at that. Nice. Yeah. Alright people, you don't know a thing though.
Smell good.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's a very good look. Chicken looking nice.
That's good.
Alright people, so I finished our chicken this now, you know. That's how the chicken look. Alright. And this is the half finished product right here, sir. So that's a good look with the chicken. Yeah.
No, you can look at it.
Alright people, so right here, so we got some tomato and white onion and some garlic. Alright. We're gonna fry it off right over here, sir. Good vibes. See that? That's looking good. Alright. Yeah. Proper style. Fry it off. Smell nice, huh?
Yeah.
I need some pepper. So I think I got pepper.
Black? Black pepper.
So right here, as you can see, we just put some more coal in it and we're gonna fry it up and get a lot of flavor kicking off inside of it. Alright, now the village cooking today. Over here, sir, we have a big pot. Alright, for pasta. A good vibes. Yeah, so you can see what go on. Yeah, man. Right, so right here people, this is the hot dog. We're gonna just throw the hot dog inside of it. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna fry up everything together. That's everybody can have something to eat. See that? Look at that. Alright. Look at that. That is looking amazing, guys. Look at that. You want to learn to cook? Tell us so. Talk to him for me. Talk to me if you want to. Yeah. Tomato and hot dog. We're gonna cook up that now together. Village cooking, guys. Spaghetti. So right here, guys, as you can see, don't put it too close to it because because to eat. So
I will not see it.
Yeah. That's all right. Yeah. All right. So people, look at that. You see? Yeah, that's for 5 minutes, but now I'm gonna stay long. That's 5 minutes. Look at that.
Dali lang, me.
See this? This is the village cooking today. Alright, look at that. But you're gonna have to keep stirring the pasta like this. I think you could even put it, but it's gone already.
Ba, tatlo ka kilo?
Yeah.
Ano pa?
Look at that.
Pag-anim na wa.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Yeah? It's a lot?
Yeah.
Alright, people. So them I say it's a lot, so a good vibe there. Over with the tomato sauce now. We're gonna chuck it inside of it. Beautiful one. You see that? See that, people? Look at that. I think 2 pack is enough. Alright? Yeah, 2 pack is enough. God, this is village cooking. Two pack is enough, innit? Yeah. Pour it inside of it. Lovely. Alright, so you can, that's it guys. So we're gonna just cook up this and we're gonna season up this now.
It smells so good. And yummy in my tummy.
Alright. So this looking amazing and fantastic. Yeah.
How water?
Huh?
Put water.
Yeah, a little bit of water inside of it. Is that bucket of water?
Baka water.
Alright, okay. Yeah, we need some water. Where's the ketchup?
Ketchup?
Ketchup.
I will not bring.
I need the ketchup here
I
yesterday.
don't have.
The big red one. You didn't care about home? Oh.
You need some another this.
What that?
The one.
Oh. What that? I'm gonna taste this and see how the flavor is. Sauce.
Sit now because the
People.
in the down.
Look at that. That's the sauce right there, man. Alright. That's the sauce. Amazing, fantastic. And that's it. So far we're gonna take it off now. Just put it right there. A ground right there. That's looking amazing. Look at that, guys. Lovely, nice, and delicious. Alright? A good vibes, people. Alright, my beautiful people, good morning, 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 good morning. We are another venture, taking the mission to another location. Now we on the tricycle heading towards the shop, supermarket, places where you never expect. Here it is. We got celebrity in the back. We got lots of stuff going on, and it's just amazing. I didn't get to do any vlog because over the last couple of days my mouth was giving me a problem. So it's not too bad now. Getting a little bit better. Alright. So this is my place. This is where I live. You know what I mean? Yeah. This is where I live. Okay? So beautiful little city. How much people live in this area? Roughly about 30,000? Roughly about 500,000 people live in this area. It's a lot of people. Alright, people. So this is my little location where we normally come and do our shopping. And so it's amazing. That's a tricycle. Mini tricycle. Alright. Beautiful little city. Very people them are beautiful. It's amazing. Alright. Grocery. This is where I come and buy my grocery all the time, guys. Look at that. No parking. But that's what happened in the Philippines, isn't it? They break the law.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing swing in the breeze, cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud, drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air, Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather round the fire tonight, taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of.
So this is a good organic rice. Is it organic rice?
Dinurado. Pag organic, pega.
Wow, that's what. 10 pounds. 10 kilo.
9 kilo.
Oh, 9 kilo.
Ha? Nga, natutubos na titita ka. 10 kilo. Ayaw, 3 cents. Thank you.
All right, boss. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Very good.
Open pa, ma'am.
All right, people. So this is where we are. Location. This is where we get the phone. Oh yeah. Lots of different kind of phone they have inside here. So if you come to this location, you know where to get some good phone to buy. Right here. Look. Good prices. All right. Good location. Here's our brother, yeah?
Yeah.
And this is where we are. Tricycle, a good vibes. Oh my days. So the competition we were doing, guys, this is it right here.
She is.
Here it is.
Thank
That's
you.
your 1,000 pesos. Alright, congratulations. Alright, congratulations. Working very hard all night. Alright, so you see, that's good. So this is the winner for the 1,000 pesos. Alright, so, alright. Wow, that was amazing. Nice to see you. Alright, people, so you see, yeah, this is what we were doing all time last night. It was giving away. Still giving away. We have a lot more to give away. So still keep tuning in. And yeah, we got more to give away. More to give away, more to give away, more to give away in this community. Working very hard. Alright.
Dito to
Yeah.
Maya kasi magkataon sa mayan mo ba? So nang ano pang ano ba yan?
Alright, people, so just come off of one adventure. Alright, so right here, so this is what we are doing. We're still in Pandan. Alright, still I work very hard. This is what we are doing. Another venture again. Alright. Are you alright to go, brother? So right here, guys, this is our winner right here. Win the prize of rice and milk. Yeah, well done. Well done. Continue sharing because we got a lot of stuff to give away very soon again. Alright, just continue sharing the love and all these things there. Beautiful one.
Para sa bata. Ay, nakawa matakang kamaan.
Are you happy with this?
Sadya karang karaan na.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Okay, well done. That's alright, that's alright. You have a lot of rice to cook. Cook for the family and be happy, alright? Anything we do it for our heart. And we have more family. We got one more winner right here also. Alright. The weather is amazing, guys. Alright. That's the weather in the Philippines. As far as I can see. Yeah. Alright, guys, we just finished another venture. Alright. So we're just heading home right now at the moment. Got another bike on the road back there. Be careful around there. Alright, now look what's going on. Mountain. Alright. This is block 34. Trouble. Alright. Block 34.
Ito talaga yun, binubog.
That's Papa Tree. Block 28. Block 28. Don't know a thing, but so we just come off another venture a while ago. So much things going on at the moment, people. So yeah, we just want to let you guys know that we're still here, active, staying here without no fear. Alright. Sun hot. That's the life in the Philippines. Someone to cook some nice food on Marengay night. Yeah. One straight down, brother. One straight down.
Straight down?
Yeah.
Straight down.
I did a turn that way. I know the road. Okay. Alright. This is my friend, man. Yeah, we're going up there, though. We're going up there. Yeah. That's a little food market right there, land over there. That looks like a fox.
Yeah.
Is that fox?
No.
It's a dog.
It's a dog. Water na.
The road is a little bit rough, but it's alright. It's all good.
Paano pero na?
So it's a one-way traffic.
Ikaw dyan na.
That's what's going on at the moment. We don't know the thing already. We meet some new customer. Trying to beat the one-way traffic. Alright. Huh?
Done? Filipino.
That's not good.
Yeah, no, the road is not. The road is a little bit bumpy. If you slow down the people, don't have to speed.
Pag-ibig kita tulungan.
So that's the road, it's so bumpy, it's to slow down,
Sa may...
not to make them speed. So we're gonna, yeah. All right.
Grabe.
What happened?
Na-shock.
This one. So that what they do, teach the drive and ride by the top. So something like that you need to do. Alright? Yeah. So we're on the way back home now, guys. Alright? So you can see. Long day today. Yeah. Nice view, look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful view, people, look at that. Amazing. This is in the Philippines. My area. Look at that. Legacy.
Property for sale.
Beautiful scene, people. Look at that. I'm telling you, sir, right now we are coming from London. All right, we're just coming through Manila. We're coming from London, just coming through Manila at the moment at 750 miles. Look at that. It's riding so fast. It's unbelievable, people. Look at that. Whoa. Alright people, yeah, so we're there, so seeing we're active in a park, in a market time our park. We got a ring of channel in the place.
Outside,
Active.
outside Surrey Street Market right now, you know, say well, go on people, the mission is to feed 1 million people. You understand people, yeah? So listen, so far we've fed 8,145 people, yeah, and we're trying to rekindle the love amongst humanity. You understand, people, yeah? That's the aim, is to touch people's lives and get back in connection with each other. So the aim of the game, Chef Ricardo, yeah? Oneness and togetherness.
A good vibes.
That is the way forward, yeah?
A good vibes.
Right.
You hear that, people?
So you see them sitting here? Look after your body and eat the fresh, healthy food. You understand?
Yeah.
A good vibe.
So you don't know you go already, people. I ring up each other, you know. Live and direct. Alright, active.
And guess what I go on right now? Outside, inside, we're gonna have some jollof rice and bab. That is it. So you don't know, so we can't come and burn people here. And we got traditional Nigerian food here. Nigerian jollof rice. Nigerian jollof rice. But it's very diverse in what happens.
As you can see what going on, people, a little bit of excitement in our town.